Here's a really great and easy lace knitting stitch pattern. It's worked over a multiple of 6 stitches plus 1. And in my case, I'm doing 4 repeats in this sample. So that's 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1 is 25. And I've added a selvage stitch on each edge for a total of 27 stitches. So I've casted on 27 stitches for this sample. It's also an 8-row repeat. Again, a really great, easy lace pattern that looks wonderful in cowls and scarves and things like that. I'll link a few patterns in the description below for several knitting patterns that happen to use this lace stitch pattern. Let's get started. Row 1. We're going to just knit the selvage stitches on the right side rows and purl them on the wrong side rows. So row 1, we'll knit that selvage stitch, knit 1, yarn over, SKP. SKP is just slip 1 knitwise, knit 1, pass the slipped stitch over, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, and we'll repeat that. Yarn over, SKP, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1. Repeat that again. Yarn over, SKP, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1. One last time, yarn over, SKP, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1. And that last stitch, the selvage stitch, we will knit that. Row 2 and all wrong side rows are purl across. So I'm not going to show all the wrong side rows on the video, just in the interest of time, but all the wrong side rows are the same, and we'll just be purling straight across. Row 3. I'm going to knit that selvage stitch, knit 2, yarn over, SK2P. SK2P is slip 1 knitwise, knit 2 together, pass the slipped stitch over, yarn over, knit 3. And we'll repeat that. Yarn over, SK2P, yarn over, knit 3. And again, yarn over, SK2P, yarn over, knit 3. One last time, yarn over, SK2P, yarn over, and then the last time it'll be a knit 2, and then we will knit that selvage stitch. Row 5. We'll knit the selvage stitch, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SKP, knit 1, and we'll repeat that. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SKP, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SKP, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SKP, knit 1, and the last stitch we will knit the selvage stitch. Row 7, we'll knit the selvage stitch, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, SK2P, and then repeat the yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, SK2P, and again, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, SK2P, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, and the last pair of stitches will be an SKP. And then we will knit the selvage stitch. And then you just keep repeating rows 1 through 8 to make this lace stitch pattern.